Hello everyone, welcome to Srihari's Crazy Studio. Myself Srihari, and today we are going to start a new session on simple arithmetic calculations in C language. In previous video we have seen how to print hello world in C language. So let's get started by not wasting more time. So here, as you can see on my screen, that there is a code in which there is arithmetic calculations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So starting with header files, hash include stdio.h and hash include conio.h. Next comes the void main function, calling void main function by giving round brackets and then opening curl brackets, and inside the curl brackets we are going to write this. First we need to initialize few variables to store the values in them and to carry out arithmetic calculations. So first taking three variables to store the value a, b, c, and then next line assigning values to the variables or storing a particular value in the respective variable. So here we are storing 7 in A and 3 in B. So next, now we start with the arithmetic calculations. So you need to be bit careful. C. In variable C, we will be storing the answer of A plus B. So adding the values stored in variables A and B and storing the answer in variable C. So we need to get the answer of this addition, right? So for that, we need to give printf command. In that, round brackets, double quotes, and inside double quotes /n addition is equal to %d. Here %d is called as format specifier. It means that the letter whatever you give after double quote comma, so we have given here C, so the value which is stored in C will be printed here instead of %d, which is also known as format specifier. So the description is printing the answer saved in variable C. So this is the main code, and in other arithmetic calculations everything is same, just instead of this sign and this we will change them, such as instead of plus we will add minus or star symbol which represents multiplication and / which represents division. And in printf command, instead of addition is equal to, we will write subtraction is equal to, or multiplication is equal to, or division is equal to. So like this we will write 4 arithmetic operations in our notepad++. I have also given the link of this code in the description, so you can click on the link to visit the code and you can also download it. So now in notepad++ we need to create a new page, and then we need to just copy this whole and paste it in the notepad++. So this is our previous code, which is print hello world in C language. Now I will create a new file by clicking on file on left up corner and new. You can also create a new page by clicking Ctrl N, and now I will save it. Again go in save file and click on save as. I will give it name arithmetic3.c and I will save it in the C language file which we had created in our second session. So now here it is a blank page. Now I will paste the code. So now here I have selected the code, copy, and here I will paste it. So here as you can see, the write up which is after double slash is green color. It is because we have commented those lines by giving /. So first, as we have seen, header files, void main, initializing variables, storing values, addition, then printing its value, subtraction, printing its value, multiplication. So here on keyboard there is no multiplication symbol, so that's why instead of multiplication symbol there is star symbol assigned for multiplication, and for division it is forward slash. So here our code is completed. Now we will save it by pressing Ctrl S, and now we will open command prompt by clicking on start and typing cmd. So here our command prompt is open. Now we will give the path of this file. So this file is on desktop in C language folder, and now we will give gcc command, gcc space arithmetic 3.c space dash o as an output abc, enter. So now our output is saved in abc. Now here we need to type abc. So here we receive the answer of the arithmetic calculations done in Notepad++. So we will verify it again, as answer of 7 plus 3 is 10. It is right. Addition is correct. Answer of 7 minus 3 is 4. Answer is correct. And multiplication of 7 times 3 is 21. So here multiplication is also correct. And here, as we are dividing 7 by 3, so they are odd number, right? So the answer comes in decimals. But as we have used here int, so the answer will not come in decimals. Rather, int will remove the decimals. To get the answer in decimals, we need to give another keyword, which we will learn in next session. So division answer is 2 point something, and here we have got 2 because int removes all decimals. So this was our today's session. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also hit the bell icon to get notifications whenever I put my videos. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.